Let's make aromatic and delicious chickpea curry. A perfect weeknight dinner. You can make it very quick if you have canned chickpeas. Start with 1 cup. Soak it in 1 liter of water for 2 hours or overnight. Now boil the soaked chickpeas. Add 1 liter of water in the pot. When it starts boiling, cover and cook until tender. After 30 minutes, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and keep cooking covered until the chickpeas become completely tender. The reason to add salt later is to prevent the chickpeas skin to come off. After about 1.5 hours, check if it is tender. Switch off the flame and set aside. Take out around 1 cup of boiled chickpeas with some water from the pot. When it comes to room temperature, blend it and set aside. If you are using canned chickpeas, use some tap water to blend it. Now add 1/2 cup of oil to the pan. 1/2 cup chopped onions. 2 big cardamoms, for cloves, for black pepper, 1 bay leaf, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. Sauté until light golden. Add garlic and ginger paste, 1 teaspoon each. Sauté for 1 minute. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Carom seeds. Sauté for 1 minute on low heat. Add 1/2 cup of yogurt on low heat. Sauté until all separates. Now add boiled chickpeas with its water. If you are using canned chickpeas, just add 1 cup of tap water. Add blended chickpeas. Mix it and bring it to boil. Now add 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. After that, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Garam masala and 2 mild green chilies sliced. Mix it well. Set aside. In a small pan, add 1/2 cup of oil. Add 1/2 cup of sliced onion. When it is light golden, add for mild whole green chilies. Sauté for a few seconds and switch off the heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well and add to the chickpeas pot. Mix it and add 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons of Jullian cut ginger. Lastly, to boiled eggs. Delicious chickpea curry is ready. Enjoy with your favorite naan. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.